We're taking a fresh local BrewSLM install and getting from nothing to a fully seeded demo project in under 5 minutes. No training, no data prep. Just log in, click, and inspect. BrewSLM auth is on by default. I'll log in as admin, the bootstrap user. The password is the local development token from the backend in file. And we're in. This is a project list. Up top, 3 official demo tiles support FAQ, PII Detector, and Sentiment Classifier. Each is backed by a manifest, a source file, and a 200-row gold set. Clicking the tile sees a complete project. Raw data imported, gold imported, and train validation and test splits already written. I'll click Support FAQ. Behind the scenes, the backend copies the source file into the project's raw data, creates 20 raw documents, imports 200 gold rows, and pre-writes a 16:2:2 train validation test split. A few seconds later, we land on the Data tab. Notice the pipeline status badge. Already at training stage, 60% complete. The seed did the upstream work for us. We haven't trained anything yet, but we have a ready-to-train project. Let's walk the pipeline tabs. 10 of them, left to right, in the order you'd touch them. Cleaning, chunk text, redact personal information, score quality. Nothing's running here. The support FAQ corpus is already small and clean. Gold set, 200 entries, locked. The evaluation ground truth. The manifest says 6, but the file has 200. The file wins. Dataset Prep. The adapter is applied, question and answer pair, turning each row into a question and a matching answer. Splits are already written. 16 train, 2 validation, 2 tests. Training tab. No experiments yet. We haven't started anything. Launching a run is video 9. Back to the data tab. One more thing before we wrap. Each raw document is one support ticket from the source file. Expand a row and you see the question and the agent's answer. This is the data we'll fine-tune the model against. The model learns to write answers like this for questions it's never seen. Done. From a fresh install to a seeded project with 20 raw rows, 200 gold rows, and ready-to-train splits, next video walks the dataset lifecycle in detail.